Gonna make a little MAGLOCK tutorial video. Here's your MAGLOCK on the door. Come to the desk. Well, I gotta get in. Unlocks the mag, as you can see, and relocks it. Then you have a motion detector way over here on the other side of the van, which unlocks the mag and relocks it. I'm going to try and set this up, so I'm going to set it off. See how it unlocks it and relocks it. As long as I'm standing in front of the sensor, it just down locks, which it is. Then it'll relock like that. Then, if you have an emergency egress situation, you hit this button, hold it for 2 seconds, sounds the alarm, sets the thing on, you can get out the door. You can signal, now they know somebody exited that door, whether it was a shoplifter or a juvenile delinquent or whatever. You can signal off of a couple other wires to light a light. To reset this, you take this key, install it, resets the alarm. Everything back to normal. Door's locked. Door's unlocked. Locked. See if I can show that. Hit the button at the front desk. Unlocks the door. Let go of the button. Door relocks. And there you go.